Welcome on another adventure in Santiago, Pueblo Mágico. Mami, ¿en dónde anda?
Aquí bailamos polka.
On this trip, we are exploring the charming town of Villa de Santiago. This magical town is known for its natural beauty and cultural richness. We started off our day by getting some fresh air surrounded by the Sierra Madre Oriental Mountains. So we are about to go to Cola de Caballo, which is a waterfall. So we're gonna walk, do some exercise. Let's go. So you have the option of going by horse. So you can go take the horse if you don't want to walk, but who doesn't want to walk and enjoy the weather? The stunning 27-meter waterfall gets its name because it resembles a horsetail. We are in Cola de Caballo, which means horsetail. We are in a natural park, and we are going to go up to this beautiful waterfall. The walk up is pretty short. It's about 10 minutes. You can hear the birds. It's a sunny day in December. Be sure to go up to the bridge and feel the mist from the gorgeous waterfall energize your skin. Yeah, sí, señor. Bien rica la brisa, la agüita. Y luego el airecito, las montañas. Don't forget to look down and see the water flowing beneath the rocks and the surrounding peaceful greenery. After admiring nature, we headed to Plaza Ocampo in the center of Santiago. Upon entering, you'll see colorful buildings bursting with history and creativity. We spent a lot of time at the fascinating Casa de Cultura. They offer a wide range of classes and cultural events that are all free for the community.
¿Y cómo se llama en sí arte?
Trencadis, de acomodar piedra.
De hecho, los materiales en base reciclado.
Así es.
We had the pleasure of speaking with artist Brenda Cavazos. So she makes artwork based off of recycled materials. Her microwave broke and she decided instead of throwing away the pieces, now she's creating art with it. So it's the backdrop of this angel that she's making. Entonces la imagen va a ser de un ángel.
Así es.
We talked about the ways art is being used to inspire future generations to learn more about their culture. Their work is reflected all over town, like at this outdoor theater. So we're in this little shed where all these materials here are donated sometimes, and this is where students get the materials to practice art classes that are all free from here in the Casa de la Cultura.
Sí, hay personas que nos donan de que terminaron de hacer sus casas y
What a great way to display the town's creativity for visitors to admire. Everyone here was very welcoming, and we even got invited to see a Zentangle art class in action.
Buenos días. Buenos días.
La naturaleza, porque todos estos patrones son sacados de la naturaleza, no se tiene que parecer a nada.
Be sure to see what classes are being offered next time you visit. Our next stop was the lovely Parroquia de Santiago Apóstol. It was built in 1864 and dedicated to the local patron saint. To the left of the church is the Santiago History Museum, where you can learn some interesting facts and see lots of historical artifacts. Finally, make sure to climb the steps and visit El Mirador. a famous lookout with incredible views of the mountains in northern Mexico, and a beautiful lake called La Boca. Along the way, stop and admire the marvelous murals that make this town unique and one you won't forget. Thanks for watching, and don't miss this hidden gem in the state of Nuevo León.